More than half of Costa Rica's representatives in the General Assembly are now women. Welcome back. This is Charmel and Grecia sharing information about moving to Costa Rica, retiring in Costa Rica, and living in Costa Rica. As I have mentioned before, the new president of Costa Rica is a woman, and that is the second time that that has happened in Costa Rica's history. But for the first time in Costa Rica's history, the majority of parliamentary seats are now held by women. 52.6 of the parliamentary seats are now held by women, according to recent reports. So, what is a parliamentary seat? Costa Rica has a legislative assembly, which is known as a general assembly. So, Costa Rica has three branches of government, like the United States: an administrative branch, a representative or legislative branch, and a judicial branch. Now, Costa Rica also has what is known as a fourth branch of its government, the electoral branch, and it acts independently to ensure fair elections. Costa Rica just has one house in its General Assembly. So, like the United States has a House of Representatives and a Senate, but Costa Rica just has one, and it has 57 seats. And those people are elected by province in Costa Rica. And this year, only 3 of them are returning. So in Costa Rica's last term, 27 were women, but now 30 are women. Many of them are lawyers, and that means that the majority of the General Assembly is made up of women. They are all elected for 4-year terms, and there are no consecutive re-elections. It's not allowed. A consecutive re-election to the General Assembly is not allowed. So according to United Nations data, Costa Rica now ranks 4th for female representation in its assembly. If you have additional information, please put it in the comment section. Pura Vida, see you in the next video. Ciao.